Hi, I'm Mary Grace D. Roque, Bachelor of Science Information Technology. I'm graduate from National University. I describe myself as a professional, hardworking, self-motivated, and dedicated person. And I'm looking for internship with your company where I am contribute my education skills and expertise. I have amazing work ethic and I have outgoing and friendly personality that can improve and valuable to your company. I am tolerant, determined, and highly organized, easy to train, and mostly keen for new experience responsibility and responsible. And along with to my other skills and my ability to work well and interact with other people and combine with my education and desire to go professionally. I am confident my skill and hands-on experiences will help produce even more result for your company. Thank you.